Hello creatives, properly fashioned here. Today we're going to be making some leather shades out of vegan leather. We're going to grow it with kombucha. So what you'll need is grab a bin and you're going to get some alcohol wipes to wipe out all the germs so you don't infect your specimen. Turn on the light there, turn on the heat of your stove and put 4 liters of water in, let that boil. While it's boiling, we're gonna put in a cup of sugar, which is a lot, but you know, it's for science. Tap it out there, and then get your apple cider vinegar. Once it's boiling, you put in your 6 bags of tea, black tea in this case. So you let that go in there, put the lid on, let it cook a bit more. Sugar in, stir, tap, tap. Let that marinate in there, get those juices flowing. It smells pretty good. But then we kind of ruin the smell with the stink of apple cider vinegar. Turn the heat off, bring it over, and let that sit for 2 hours. Let it cool to room temperature, and then you take out all of your ingredients, pour in your juices, which is the food for your SCOBY. And the SCOBY is this man-made material. It's not a material, it's a living organism, and that's what's going to grow your kombucha over time. So this is the process of growing that kombucha over the next 30 days. And then halfway through on day 20, I added a bit more juice because I thought it wasn't going to be thick enough. But this is part 2 of it, so once it dries after a week, you could finally take it and make something out of the leather. The leather's got some nice qualities to it. I'm making a pair of sunglasses, so I'm using a wire frame, bending it about, and that's a frame for these kind of Elton John reminiscent sunglasses. They're really big. Iron out the patches there, and then I'm gonna stitch it into these shapes, and then flip it inside out so you could slide it on top of the wire frame. And in this shot you could see a fully grown man using Elmer's glue to attach the sunglasses to their earpiece things. Yeah, so this is the final product, looking pretty good. Got some nice product videography going on right there. Pretty neat little thing. Give it a try if you can. It's really fun. All right, see you in the next video.